Hello friends, today I will show you how to make quick test with LoRa board. First of all, we should make a config for LoRa board by using RS232 converter. We will make connection like this circuit. Then we will open Arduino IDE with any program, then choose the COM port. I will open monitor screen and then type AET command. It will respond OK here. We can also check address for LoRa board by AET address. Address of LoRa board is 2. We can also check another parameter, network 18, band 915. Here is important thing about LoRa board. I will try to reconfigure address to 1. OK, it finished. I will type command to check address. Now LoRa board response address is 1. OK, I will return address to 2 again. And here is the code for Arduino transmitter in the left and receiver in the right. There are two important things. The first is the baud rate should be like your configuration. And second thing is send command should to address of receiver. In this example, receiver will have address 1. We will make connection for transmitter like this. And the receiver will make connection like this. Remember, receiver will have OLED LCD to show the result. Let's check the result in the real model. The left is transmitter and the right is receiver with LCD. The receiver will get result every second and show on the LCD. Here we go, we complete the test with LoRa board. Thanks for your watching.